Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix no mobile data issue on Black Shark Pad SE. So first of all, let's physically inspect our SIM card. So we're gonna have to remove it from the SIM card tray and make sure that we have inserted it properly. So open the SIM card tray using a pin-like tool, like this one. Just push it slightly inside the pinhole. Then you can remove it. Then you're gonna have to remove the tray. Be careful not to lose your SIM card on the way. Okay, so first of all, check the SIM card contacts. Make sure that they are not blurry, that they are not stained in any way. And we can either use a simple microfiber cloth to clean the contacts on it, or if it's really stained, you can use isopropyl alcohol, a small amount of it. Just dip your microfiber cloth or a cotton pad into it and use it to clean your SIM card. After that, make sure to place it correctly. So while placing it, you have to see this silver, this metallic side of your SIM card tray, and you're gonna have to place it contacts down like this. Then make sure that it sits firmly, and then hold it down while inserting it into your tablet. Make sure that you are inserting it the correct side, and then check whether the SIM card is properly recognized by the tablet itself. So let's unlock it. Let's swipe down the control center, tap the gear icon right here to open settings. Now we're gonna have to go to network and internet, then select mobile network. Okay, so if we see our SIM card right here, that's a good sign. Now, once we get to this menu, we have to make sure to enable mobile data. Without it, we will not have any mobile data. Then in preferred network type, you can try switching between 4G and 3G. You can check 3G just to test it. In the way that 3G has a better coverage, of course a much slower speed. So just try entering some websites using 3G network type and see if they load. If they don't, then the issue is somewhere else. Then you're gonna have to switch back to 4G anyways. Also, if none of the steps I mentioned previously helped you, you can go to APNs right here, tap the three dot icon in the top right corner and select reset to default. Then restart your tablet by holding down the power button and select restart. And if it's not gonna help you, then I recommend checking your SIM card with another device. So try inserting your SIM card into your smartphone and check whether it's working there. And if in case it does, we can still keep troubleshooting it on this tablet. In case it doesn't have internet on your smartphone, then you're gonna have to reach out to your carrier and ask about your data plan, or ask whether there are some outages on their side. Now the last thing that we can do on this tablet is going back to settings. So swipe down the control center once again, tap the gear icon, then scroll down to system, open system menu, and scroll down to reset options and reset mobile network settings. Confirm. enter your PIN code, and now let's go back to network and internet, select mobile network once again, and make sure that mobile data is enabled. After that, your issue should be fixed. If not, once again, reach out to your carrier and ask about your data plan. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.